That'll help me to kind of decide what to do because I'm not doing a zero child support order. Go ahead, Miss
Oh,
Hunt.
okay. Yeah, that's fine. Every 2 weeks.
What is fine? We don't know what it, you know.
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
What's up, you got?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, both are present and are served. Go ahead.
Your Honor, we show that neither parent has been personally served. So I just would like to ask both of them a couple of questions regarding that before we get into testimony. Ms. Zayala, did you receive a copy of the state's petition sent to your email today?
I'm not sure. I haven't checked my email. But from what I did this morning, no, I haven't gotten it.
Okay. Do you understand that you have the right to be personally served on this case?
Yes.
And are you waiving that right?
Yes.
And you're okay with proceeding today, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, I'd ask the record to show that Ms. Zayala is waiving the right to personal service and is in agreement to continue today.
Yes, ma'am. It's noted.
Mr. Martinez, did you receive a copy of the petition the state filed to your email?
No, ma'am.
All right. Do you understand that you have the right to be personally served as well?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you okay with waiving that right and proceeding today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your Honor, I'd ask the record to show that Mr. Martinez has waived the right to personal service and is in agreement to continue today.
So noted.
We have an agreement on most of the issues, so I'll go ahead and read those out. The parties agree that there's been no family violence and neither parent's requesting a non-disclosure. They are in agreement to be appointed as joint managing conservators, with Ms. Ayala designating the primary residence of the child in Dallas or a contiguous county. They're in agreement for Mr. Martinez to have a standard possession schedule. The child on this case is Star Emberly Zayala Martinez, and there is a valid acknowledgement of paternity on file. Health insurance will be provided for the child through Mr. Martinez's employer. It costs him $311 per month for the coverage. He is currently employed and earns $3,466.67 per month gross and does not have any other children. There's no request for retroactive child medical or dental support, and the only contested issue is current child support. The state will call the mother. Ma'am, will you state your name?
Kimberly Zelaya.
And what's the name of the child on this case? And when she was born, did Mr. Michael Martinez sign a document admitting to paternity?
Yes.
All right. And how old is she?
She's 6.
Okay. Did you hear those other agreed terms I just read into the record?
Yes.
Are you still in agreement with those terms?
Yes. We were just not we agreed that we wouldn't do support.
Okay, so everything except for the child support you were in agreement with, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the guideline child support we've calculated based off the father's income is $530 per month. But it sounds like you disagree with that.
He's been giving me $300 since March. And that takes care of costs of her after school activities as well, as in cheer and other stuff that she's into.
Okay, and so are you wanting the child support to be set at $300 per month then?
We were just no, me and Mr. Michael Martinez agreed to that. We have an
Okay,
agreement.
I'm not
so for
doing
the
a zero child support order. So I got to set an amount. So what she's asking you is what is the amount? I need you to answer that question. That'll help me to kind of decide what to do because I'm not doing a zero child support order. Go ahead, Miss
Oh,
Hunt.
okay. Yeah, that's fine. Every 2 weeks.
What is fine? We don't know what it you never answered.
Oh, I'm sorry, I just didn't understand the question properly.
So he gives you $300 every 2 weeks.
Yes.
So that would be more than the guideline child support of $530. So for a specific number per month, how much do you want the father to be ordered to pay?
I mean, if we can agree on 300, I mean, a month, 550.
Okay, so you'd want child support to be set at $550 per month.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else you want the court to know about your case?
No, just that I don't understand, I guess. We had said that we wouldn't do support and we had agreed, but I guess I don't
And what's the current possession schedule that you and Mr. Martinez exercise with the child?
know. He usually picks her up on Fridays at 6 p.m. and drops her back off on Sundays at 7 p.m.
And is that every weekend or every other weekend?
So it honestly, there's no set due to him saying that he works. And so there's really no set. He basically tells me, oh, well, I work, I can't take care of her. So,
Okay. I'll pass the witness. The state calls the father. Sir, will you state your name?
Michael Martinez.
And Mr. Martinez, when the child was born, did you sign a document admitting that you're the biological father?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you hear all those terms I read into the record a minute ago that you and Miss Zayala agreed to?
Yes, ma'am.
And so that's everything except for child support, which you're still in agreement with, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The guideline child support the state calculated is $530 per month. Do you agree or disagree with that?
Disagree.
All right. And is it correct that you've been giving Miss Zelaya $300 every 2 weeks?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And how long have you been doing that?
Uh, I can't really recall at this moment, to be honest with you.
Okay. And if you're not in agreement with the guideline amount of 530, what amount are you requesting your child support to be set at?
I'll give her six a month.
So you want it to be set higher than the guidelines at $600 per month?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything else you want the court to know about your case?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll pass the witness, and then the state's also requesting court costs be billed to Mr. Martinez.
Okay, just want to make sure Mr. Martinez on it before I put it in the order. Right now you're paying 300 every 2 weeks, which is like $650 a month. We work on a monthly basis, not on a bi-weekly basis. So what you're paying right now, if you're paying consistently, is 650. The number that the state's calculated is that it should be 530 based on your income. So that sounds like that's the correct number based on what Texas law is. But you're agreeing to pay 600, which is higher than that number, or are you wanting it to be 530?
Um, I was already giving her 600 like a month, so like that would be fine if it would stay at 600.
Okay, so you're willing to go above guidelines and pay 600.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So the parts y'all agreed to, those are all fine. I'll set child support at $600 a month, based on the agreement, y'all's agreement. Um, and that will have to be paid through the child support office though. So it cannot be paid directly to Ms. Zelaya. So beginning December, those payments will probably get wage withheld from your employer. But otherwise, any payments have to be paid through the child support office so that you don't have to come back to court to answer why you haven't paid it. So make sure that all payments are paid through the child support office so they can record the payment. If you pay it directly to Ms. Zelaya, there's no way for them to know that. And so then that's going to cause you issues. It's going to cause you to have to come back to court. They could even threaten to put you in jail. So make sure you pay it through the child support office beginning in December. For November, y'all can continue what you're doing for November. All right, you're done with court. They'll send you a copy of the order after I sign it. You can press leave on the Zoom.